Hey everybody, this is Rebecca with Aroma Institute, and today I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite fall diffuser blends. Every year Rachel and I go up to Blue Ridge Mountains and we love to just enjoy the weather, the season, and the changes of the leaves. That's my favorite. I love watching the leaves fall from the sky. Look at these beautiful leaves that landed right on our window when we were driving. I just loved it. So in this blend, we're going to be adding some essential oils that remind us of those crunchy leaves. It's 2 drops of frankincense, 1 drop of myrrh, three drops of orange, and 2 drops of cedarwood. Rachel enjoys going to Blue Ridge for another reason. She likes to visit Mercer orchards up in Georgia and get those apples. Oh my gosh, there's so many delicious varieties. I think I came home with about a half bushel of apples and we had to make a lot of pies. So in this blend, we're adding several essential oils to make that apple orchard scent. It's 2 drops of frankincense, 2 drops of Copaiba, 3 drops of Douglas Fir, with the wonderful season of fall and cozy weather, you can use these diffuser blends to bring that warmth into your own home. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.